Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you where to find WhatsApp saved images. Now if you save images on WhatsApp, this is exactly where they go to after they've been saved. So let me assume an image, right? Let me assume this image right here. Click on it and send. The image will be sent successfully and displayed right here. This is the image right here. So now this image has been saved, right? Now let's assume you went to your gallery and you could not find the image and you do not know where and how to find it, although I've seen the image. So let's assume you could not find it. This is actually where to get your WhatsApp image. Click on the name of the profile account, scroll down a little bit. Actually you do not need to scroll down that much. This is it, media and links. So once you click on it, you are going to see everything you've downloaded or you've saved. You can always go ahead and click on it and then click and then save it again. If you do not see it on your device and you want to see it, you click that and it will be saved, and that is it. So that is actually where to find your saved image on WhatsApp. So if you have further question, let me know. And if it's a document, when you click here, you are going to find the document. Here will be for links. And then under this phone, under this device, is still the same thing. Click on that area and you are going to see them displayed. Click on it and they are all displaying. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to smash like and I will see you guys on the next one. Please stay safe and peace.